Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store on POCO C50. And to do this, first let's try to open a Google Play Store. And here go for Shazam, and if we try to install it, it's stuck in a pending mode. So the same thing is with Google Chrome. Let's actually cancel this download for now. If we try to reach any website, we'll get this error. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down to find additional settings. And here go for date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and install the app, it should begin. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can refresh the page or enter any other. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.